My name is Fazal Issa. I'm the Program Manager for Environment and Climate from the Embassy of Ireland. I think it's an important event to bring on different stakeholders from diverse institutions come and discuss the importance of data that could support in terms of decision making, planning, and of course maybe creating synergy between actors that are working in different development initiatives. Unboxing data, I think different levels. One, making data available, different part in terms of the access to it, in terms of finance, in terms of understanding, and for me that is important. You can make data available to people, but they may not understand what does it mean. So maybe this simplification as part of unboxing it, making it understandable to the one that who need to access, and not maybe a group of privileged stakeholders. So yeah, that's what is I mean. Yeah, I think it's very important. Just taking the experience from our last session, you could see the panelists and participants would like more time in terms of having a discussion on it. So if we can set more time for discussion as part of this, and maybe dwell more in terms of, we have 3 days this year. If we can have thematic days next year, in terms of a day dedicated to environment, natural resources, and climate, and others, of course, that is my area of interest, so that different stakeholders could stay for the whole day and have discussion in a number of issues related to those 3 areas on environment, natural resource, and climate change. Because we've seen after our session, there's a different session. So for those that were interested just for climate, left the room. But if it could have been the same theme throughout the day, that could maybe attract more attention and maybe give more time for discussion in a number of issues. Yeah.